Oh, hello and welcome back to a new episode. This is Steven07 and I hope that you have a fantastic day. Today I'm going to play a game that no one else can ever play, and that's Angry Birds Star Wars. Yeah, no one else literally cannot play it because it is not in the Google Play Store anymore. So I hope that you like this. I'm going to show you different recordings of me from whenever I was younger, and I will see you later.
Do you read me?
Do you read me? Do. Hello and welcome back to a new episode. This is Steven07. I hope that you have a fantastic day. Today I am playing Angry Birds Star Wars, in which nobody else can ever play it. That's only if you have it on certain devices, and that's because shortly after the Angry Birds Star Wars came out, it was taken off. So now this might be the only actual video with the things. So I'm just going to play a couple of levels with this game. Okay, I got some decent level for that. Now I gotta aim it about right here. Do that. Kill the bird, but then I have to go back and get a second one. So then I need to do that. Crash that bird, and then kill him. Okay, so I just won another one of them. Except with every Angry Bird you use, you get less and less points for it. Now moving on to this one, it's gonna be semi-hard. Oh, you die. Oh, they all died. Okay, pretty good. Now moving on to the next level. You can also move this thing. But this one, the Angry Bird cannot cut through. Oh, die. I did that in one try. Sorry if you can see the camera shaking, it's just that it's kind of hard to record games like this. Okay, now on to a cutscene. What? Oh, I have to use Obi-Wan Kenobi, in which you can use the Force and knock them back. Okay, so I killed him, but I probably shouldn't get that many points for him, because there's only one of them that's actually there. I got 1 star. Decent. Okay, now one more of this, and then that's enough for today. Oh, I damaged his hat off. Now I just have to use the Force to knock back some of them, and then that should be the end of the episode. Okay, so I think I got it. There is another bird back there. Okay, going back to the home page because that's enough for today's episode. If you like this episode, please give it a like. If you want to subscribe, please subscribe. It always helps out even more. And I've already finished this entire game, so I already know what's happening. I finished it way back in 2016, 2017, 2018. You know, territory. It's because I've had this phone since 2015, around 2015, 2016. Well, I hope that you like this episode. This is Spidey Steven 07, and I hope that you have a fantastic day. And I will see you next time.